Welcome to TaBlitz. Today, we'll walk you through the first step of creating a formulation in the formulation module, adding an ingredient. Here we are in the formulation module of TaBlitz. To start building your formulation, the first step is to add an ingredient. Notice the white plus icon at the top right of the ingredient list. Let's click on it to begin. Once you click the plus icon, the Add Ingredient window appears. Start by entering the name of your ingredient in the Ingredient Name field. For this example, let's add sodium benzoate as our ingredient. Next, select the type of ingredient from the Ingredient Type searchable drop-down. Sodium benzoate is a preservative, so we'll select preservative from the searchable list. Now, let's add some details. In the Manufacturer field, enter the name of the supplier, let's say Chemistry Corp. Enter the CAS number from the product SDS sheet. Then, in the UNII, lot, batch field, input a unique identifier for this batch, like AB1234. You can also specify the cost of the ingredient. Let's set the cost to $5 per kilogram. Enter 5 in the cost field, and select kilogram from the cost unit drop-down. In the description field, you can add a brief note about the ingredient's purpose. For sodium benzoate, we'll write, used as a preservative to extend shelf life. Now, let's define the ingredient's properties. Set the moisture content to 5%, bulk density to 0.6 grams per milliliter, and true density to 1.2 grams per milliliter. Finally, let's define the particle size distribution, which is crucial for your formulation's performance. Under Particle Size Distribution Analysis, select Sieve Analysis. You can adjust the particle sizes to your requirements by adding sieve sizes and their corresponding weights. If using laser diffraction, TaBlitz requires the percent of weight at each particle size. D10, D50, D90 is not granular enough to determine segregation and could hide a bimodal curve. Once you've filled in all the details, click Add to save sodium benzoate to your formulation. And that's it. You've successfully added your first ingredient in TaBlitz. Thank you for watching. As you can see with TaBlitz, adding ingredients to your formulation is quick and easy. Be sure to watch the other tutorials on formulation to get a comprehensive understanding on how TaBlitz helps you determine and sustain powder performance.